Hello, Unity. I'm Rachelle Indra, and I'm a life coach here in Central Oregon. And I hope you will join me this Sunday as we are going to continue talking about inspiration. And I'm going to talk about how inspiration is something that we often put off until we have more time. We put it off till we have more money, till we have more tools, till we have more education. We keep putting it off until someday. Someday when I have blank, then I will lean into my inspiration to do whatever it is that your heart has really been wanting to do. And so we're going to talk on Sunday about how you don't need to wait till you have said thing in order to get started with what inspires you, with what your heart calls you to do. And then actually, when we have restriction, we end up being more inspired. We end up being more creative. We end up having the things that we really truly need in order to change the way we see inspiration and being able to be inspired. So I challenge you to bring all of your thoughts and ideas of how you can't do something on Sunday and watch how they change after my talk. Hope to see you there.